Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. Pretty straightforward website, padlet.com. You can sign in with your school email and then you would proceed just by making a Padlet. I'm going to show you an example of what one could look like. For me, I decided to make one for encouraging messages to my students over the years just so I can look back on it. Some other ideas you can do with your class, even within your first Google Meet, is you can post a question here at the top. Um, what's your favorite food? What is your dream job? Like, what would you like to do after high school? And so forth. So you can post a question, and then students can literally go to the bottom here and they can upload a picture. Maybe you can talk to them about um, one's favorite thing they did this summer or whatnot. Or they can just write something right there, publish it, and there you go. So the easy way to share with your class would be going right here, and you could copy the link to the clipboard. So for example, if you were in your Google Meet, you can literally copy this link, post it in the Google Meet, and they can live answer their response to whatever question you pose. The cool thing about this is some students are, timid and they don't want to speak out loud in Google Meets. And so this gives them an opportunity to, post a question in written form. So that is a quick little overview of Padlet.